Hello everyone, I am Satya Prakash. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about the United Nations Organization and its departments. First, let me tell you about UNO, that is United Nations Organization. It was formed on 24th October 1945. It is an intergovernmental organization that aims to maintain international peace and security, develop friendly relations among nations, and to achieve international cooperation. Its headquarters is located at New York in US, but actually it's founded at San Francisco at California. Its official languages are Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and Spanish. Out of the 195 countries in the world, 193 countries are UNO member countries. The two which are not are Holy See and the State of Palestine. Now, I'll tell you briefly about the subsidiaries of UNO. The first one is ILO, that is International Labour Organization. It works for the protection of labor in its member countries. It is started in 1919. Its head office is located in Geneva. The next one is IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency. It works to make nuclear energy useful for the peace of people. It was started on 1957 July 29th. Its head office is in Vienna, Australia. The next one is UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It works for the protection of law, acts, human rights, and freedom of people. It also aims to improve educational, scientific, and cultural aspects in between different countries. It was started on 1946, November 4th. It is headquartered at Paris. The next one is WHO, that is World Health Organization. It works for the improvement of health of the people in all countries and for the eradication of communicable diseases. It was started on April 7th, 1948. Its head office is in Geneva. The next one is IBRD, that is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. It gives loans to develop the poor countries. It started on 1946 June 25. Its head office is at Washington. The next one is WMO, that is World Meteorological Department. It works for improving the method in observing and forecasting the weather. It was started in March 23rd, 1950, and it's headquartered at Geneva. The next one is IMO, that is Intergovernmental Maritime Consultation Organization. It works for the improvement of boats and ships used for transportation of goods from one country to the other. It is working since 1959 March 17th. It is headquartered at London. The next one is UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund. It is meant for the child welfare and protection of children all over the world. It is formed on 11th December 1946. Its headquarters is located at New York. The next one is UNDP, United Nations Development Program. It supervises the development works done by the United Nations Organization and its headquarters is located at New York. The next one is UNHCR, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. It gives aid to the refugees. It has got two Nobel Prizes, both for peace, one in 1981 and the other for giving aid to European refugees after World War II. It was started on January 1st, 1951. Its headquarters is located at Geneva. The next one is IDA, that is International Development Association. It works as a co-member of World Bank Group. It was started on 24th September 1960 and is headquartered at Washington. The next one is IMF, International Monetary Fund. It provides loans to the poor and developing countries to secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, promote high employment, and reduce poverty in a unique way. It started working from March 1st, 1949. Its headquarters is located at Washington. The next one is ICAO, that is International Civil Aviation Organization. It is aimed to provide good facilities to flights or aeroplanes. all over the world. It is started on April 4th, 1947. Its headquarters is at Montreal, Canada. The next one is WPU or UPU, World Post Union or Universal Postal Union. It works for the improvement in communication system. It is started on 1974 October 9th. It is headquartered at Bern in Switzerland. The next one is ITU, International Telecommunication Union. It works for improvement in radio, telegraph and telephone networks. It was started in 1945. Its headquarters is at Geneva. The next one is WIPO, that is WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization. It analyzes the methodologies, experiment results, and their use for the human world. It was established in 1970 and its headquarters at Geneva. The next one is IFC, International Finance Corporation. It helps to improve the private company system. Its headquarters is at Washington and it was started on July 20, 1956. The last one is FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. It works for improvement in agriculture system and for the eradication of hunger of people in its member nations. It is started on 16th October 1945. These are not just the member nations, member organizations of UNO. There are many other organizations of UNO. These are just a few which are very important. Thank you.